This is why you need to know about these mind-blowing production methods. Ready to get your mind blown? Let's dive in. Let's start with 3D printing of food. Imagine creating your dinner by layering food materials like chocolate or pasta dough. You can even print plant-based burgers. Next up, bioprinting. Instead of ink, we use living cells to create tissues and organs. This could revolutionize medicine, from skin grafts to potentially whole organs. Now check out hydroponics and vertical farming, growing crops without soil using nutrient-rich water and stacking them vertically to save space. Perfect for urban farming. Ever heard of electrospinning? It creates ultra-thin fibers using an electric field. These fibers are used in everything from medical devices to filtration systems. Cryogenic freezing is up next, freezing materials at super low temps to keep your food fresh and preserve biological samples. Last but not least, microwave processing. Fast and uniform heating for ceramics, plastics, and even food. Stay curious, tech enthusiasts. These innovative methods are shaping our future.